Today we're going to Jurong Bird Park.
Since we're going to two places today, we'll do our shopping tomorrow. Okay? I saw some people going up here. Wasn't it?
Here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures.
Why there's so many green there? We didn't see so many green like that before.
Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, there's a lot of people.
They must train them really well, you know? Because otherwise they just fly up into the air and go away.
Yeah.
They didn't stay here. Very colorful. Like parrots?
They are talking.
Yeah, they're talking. Very colorful. You know, they say the natural parrot, they cannot speak. But the ones that are captured, they trim the tongue so it's round so they can speak. Because the one in the wild, the natural, the tongue is very sharp. So when they capture it, they trim the tongue, it's round like a human tongue, so then they can speak. So they actually don't speak naturally.
Okay, Scott. Now in the pair of his have the balls. Look at how he's using his big extra.
Wow.
Birds are smart.
We're gonna get the black.
He's going to get the food in there.
Let's see, let's give it a big hand. Okay, black, ready? Very good. Good job, Scott.
He knows how to pull it because he wants the food in there.
Nuts like walnuts, Brazil nuts, almonds, and we're going to make a different nuts. For fruits, apple, pear, cashew, wheat. Whoa. Try about that. Alright, good job. I think that's good. Yes. So what's your name? Amigo. So what's your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name, amigo. So many people right here. How would you like to talk in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and Alright, in a different language, which is now Chinese.
Chinese?
Chinese.
Guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's sing for them in Mandarin.
that word?
It's in Mandarin.
Who's that?
She's singing.
Oh. Wow. They
Those
have
are
a different
swans.
one.
You like the swans?
See that? Wow.
Pelicans are greedy. They don't want to act. They just want to eat.
Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that.
Those are the things we saw before, the swans.
They have a food hero, but they're not open yet. Wow, what's that?
Magnificent birds.
Magnificent bird.
Hummingbirds. I guess that's what, oh, elephant birds. They're called elephant birds.
Let's go.
They're big. No wonder they're called elephant birds.
Oh, is that real?
I'm sure they are. These are taxidermies, meaning that they're dead birds, but then they stuff them.
Wow.
They stuff them and dry them up for show.
This is the egg.
Yeah. A chicken egg has about 7,500 pores. The pores allow air to enter so that the embryo in the egg can breathe. This must be from like old times. Look at this one. Hard-boiled egg. Ostrich eggs. These are ostrich eggs.
Oh, that's big. Chicken. Oh, look at that.
From eggs to chicks. These are chicken.
That's real.
No, it's not real. This is just an example. It's not real. So go from this egg hatching from a chick. Hatch a little bit, hatch bigger, hatch.
Hmm.
More bird eggs. A lot of bird eggs.
Look at that.
Different bird nests.
That's it?
I guess this is it. What is this over here?
Oh.
Weaving nest. Oh, I didn't know there was such a nest that looks like that.
Is that an African tree?
It says African treetop, so I guess it's birds from Africa.
Oh, there you go.
See it?
Yeah, it's an African tree because it's pregnant.
Pregnant tree. See what else we have.
Yoo-hoo!
And gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our
Yeah,
trip.
now it's a little bit
We're
colder.
now off to visit Waterfall Aviary,
Look at
the
that.
largest walking aviary in our park.
That's Aguila.
To your left,
There you go. I'll show
the
it to you.
birds of prey. Here, you will find
There
the
you
majestic
go.
Philippine eagle, the tallest and one of the largest eagles in the world. Their talons
That's
are
why the
so
Philippines
strong,
pick it?
they can
Yeah.
lift a monkey off a tree. Besides their sharp talons, birds of prey are also known for their superb eyesight and strong beaks.
Wow, they have yellow
Catch
beaks.
other birds of prey in action.
I wish
at
my
the
eyes were
Kings of the
good like
Sky
that.
show
Like a
at
bird's
10
eye.
a.m.
Bird's eye are
and 4
very
p.m.
good.
daily at the Hawk Arena.
Wow. Look at that. That's so cute.
Get up close to the Tiki Lorry at Lollipop on your right. And have them eat right out of your hand.
He's crying because he wanted to
All proceeds
try
go
this.
towards wildlife conservation in the region. Chill out at Bird Recovery Center and step into the fascinating world of birds. Did you know all
Wow, look at that tree. What's that?
descendants of dinosaurs? With their height and long legs, the birds you see on your left, the saddlebill, crown cranes, and flightless cassowary, certainly resemble the well-known dinosaur of all, the Tyrannosaurus rex.
This is probably a pretty big park. That's why they have a bus.
Yeah.
Vehicle for you to drive so you can explore through the place. I think if we're walking, it's going to take
To
us
your
all
right,
day.
Pelican Cove. What's the ball?
Look at that tree. It's so beautiful. I think I like all trees here than the birds.
Ladies and
You guys didn't
gentlemen,
have
we are
trees like
heading
this in the
to
Philippines?
Station
I
4,
didn't see it.
Paradise. Please remain seated.
We just only have a tree that is normal tree.
Normal tree? What is a normal tree?
Like when you draw a tree, that's like look like.
How do you draw a tree? What does your tree look like when you draw it?
It's a straight. It's a straight like that.
I can imagine how you're gonna draw a tree.
What's that? I like that tree. They have a falls. Waterfalls. Wow. I think they designed this very long.
Don't worry, it's not a real jungle. There's no tigers or lions or bears here.
Parrot. Oh, they're playing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Station 4, Paradise.
That is station 4.
Yeah, it's very far. That's why I guess they do this so people don't have to walk so far. You can stop here and you can
Ladies and
look.
gentlemen, we are heading back to Station 1. Please remain seated. Welcome back on our tram ride. We are now heading back to tram station 1.
Wow.
Look to your right. These birds with huge wings are pelicans. They use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during Keeper's Chit Chat at 2 p.m.
Cool. Well, this is a jungle. So that,
You thought it was a jungle?
you know, I always did. If this is a jungle, so it's more fun.
It's kind of like a jungle.
So I thought, if there's a jungle, there's a monkey over all the trees in there.
The Flamingo Lake is home to
This is a bird jungle. That's it.
greater flamingos. In the wild, flamingos live in large flocks of up to 10,000. The lodge overlooking Flamingo Lake can
Okay, this is the entrance, baby.
parties and team building events. Now get ready for big splashes of fun and birds of play on your left, when kids get to spread their wings and play to their heart's content.
Small ride there.
Coming up on your left is Hawk Arena, where you can watch the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. In the critically endangered
Okay, we're going home.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's normal. Okay, let's
Ladies and
go.
gentlemen, boys and girls, we have come to the end of the tram ride.
Let's go. It's already cold. Wow.
Sis? You don't know what that is? It's hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. It's kind of like a, I don't remember what they call it, but like a good luck omen.
Wow, how much is that?
I don't know, keep it. I have one at home. I have one at home, but it's 3 monkeys, $18. You want one?
I'll check. There. What about one? Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Elephant. Oh, look at this.
It's a pig.
95. Wow. It's expensive one. 65.
You were looking at this one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty expensive.
Guess.
It is pretty good though. Honey would like these up here, the elephants.
How much is that?
Oh, very expensive.
Wow.
128.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
It is.
You can see the gold color, right? It's actually epic hair gold.
Get this one.
This is for refrigerator.
Yeah.
Magnets.
It's cute. There's a water inside. $6. Maybe I like this one. $6.
For Lion City. This one says Lion City.
Wow.
Nice. It's made of wood. Nice. $6.
Take one, take one.
I'll take this one. Take this one.
You want that one?
Wow!
You sure that's the one you want?
What is better?
Stretchy.
This one's a little bent.
Wow!
I guess they're all like that.
Wow, wow, wow.
Okay, if you want this one, let's go.
$36.
How much is it?
36. A lot of beautiful clothes here. $69.69. Want that? That's your sign.
Yeah. It's something.
It's a little
Okay, hold on
cheaper.
to that.
Can you open that?
Yeah, you can open it too. This is $75.
It's cute, baby. Get that one.
These are all the same. $129.
I like this one too. Can you open this, baby?
I don't think you can open
You
it.
can open
Oh,
it.
I guess you could.
How much?
This one is $49. That's $50.
Let me see it.
This one's not as beautiful.
Where's my sign there?
Your Libra sign?
Look at that.
Oh, it's an elephant. Honey would love this.
Can you open that?
Yeah.
That's
This is $69. What are these made of?
Sorry?
What are these made of?
Actually, it is by alloy.
Alloy?
Yeah.
Aluminum alloy?
Yeah.
Let me look up yours.
But these are also quite sellable.
Just look it up for me. Are you recording?
how much all of it?
Almost $300.
Wow. Expensive.
It is a little bit. But a lot of this stuff is handmade, so I guess it is going to be a little bit expensive.
300. It's almost the our hotel.
No. Almost 300, that's like almost 15,000.
Okay. We're here at, where is it?
We're the Jurong Bird Park.
Jurong. Gonna eat? Maybe I think like this one. I like this
You
one.
want that one?
Yeah, it's ramen dry. Oh, I didn't like a dry.
Yeah, that one doesn't have any soup, any broth. What kind of drink do you want?
Just water.
You sure?
How much the water in there?
$2.50. You might as well get a regular drink. I think I'm gonna get the... Which one did you have the other day? You remember what kind of tea it is?
Milo tea.
Was it the Milo?
No.
It's not the Milo.
I think they don't have it.
No? I think I'm gonna get the lychee.
Yeah, get that one.
You want that one too?
I like different, so I can drink different one.
Which one do you want?
Mango peach.
Mango peach? Okay. And then you sure you want to get this one? They have a bowl of rice. That's probably soup. Okay, so you're getting this one.
What about
I think I'm going to get this one.
Okay.
This is lychee. This is lychee.
Lychee, what's that? I didn't know that.
It's a fruit. It's an Asian fruit.
Let me taste it. Taste it first.
Try it.
Try it first. Let me taste.
You don't like it?
That's
That's Asian.
Oh, that's a water.
It's lychee juice with lychee pulp.
Wow. 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 It's all the price.
I think this is egg, tofu, and beans.
Wow.
This is a hot sauce.
Wow.
Here's your chicken and bok choy. And this is your chicken broth.
What about that?
This is chicken, green beans, and I believe this is potatoes. I'm not sure,
Okay, let's eat.
but I'm gonna eat it.
Okay. Rate this food.
This is called the, what was it called? Hot Cafe. I rate it 7 out of 10.
Why? Why are you at 7?
First, it starts at a 10, okay? But they didn't have napkins, so that's a 9. Second, they didn't tell me it was red peppers. I thought it was tomato. And then I didn't know it was eggplants. I thought it was onions. And then I didn't know that it was potatoes. I thought it was some kind of a melon because it tastes weird. So I guess 6 out of 10.
And what about the toast
But
box?
since the drinks were good, I give them 1 more point. So 7 out of 10.
What about the toast box?
Huh?
Toast box.
Toast box is 10 out of 10.
Good.
But since you're with me, I'll give it 1 extra point because you like it too. So then they get 11 out of 10.
Where we're going next?
Where? We're going to the garden by the bay. We're going to go to the big treetop. Actually, no. We're going to the art museum first to see if they accept our voucher. If they do accept our voucher, then we're going there.
Yeah.
If they don't accept our voucher, then we'll have to wait till tomorrow. So then we're going to the big tree.
Okay. Love you.
Bye. I'll see you guys there.
That is real.
Yes, it's a real.
And there you go.